Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fit an Adonis. All right, so the first step that you're going to want to do is put your leg in 90 degrees, just like that. All right, next thing, you're going to take these clips off, all 4 of them, and you're going to position the brace on the leg. I start with the bottom cuff and put this condyle hinge right on the condyle. The first strap that I'm going to place is this bottom strap that's going to go, it's just going to wrap around the calf here. And that's just going to help prevent the brace from migrating while you're doing the fitting. The next strap that I'm going to do is this uppermost strap here. And that one's just going to go around the thigh, clip on, and tighten. That's going to help hold that top frame in place while you're doing the last 2 straps. So with the last 2 straps, the first one that you're going to want to do is this one that originates on the bottom cuff. And you're going to take that one and wrap it around the leg and connect it to this top frame here. Then you're going to take this strap that originates on the top frame, wrap that around, and connect it to the bottom frame. And then you're going to tighten those. So it's very important that you tighten these 2 cross straps when the brace is in a flexed position in 90 degrees. The reason for this is because when the brace is flexed, there's no distraction occurring and the straps are going to be looser. When you extend, the straps are going to tighten. So you want to make sure that you're tightening these straps when they're in that kind of loosened state. So Eddie, go ahead and stand up. How's that feel?
Tighter.
Tighter? Yeah. All right, so, and then if you want to take a seat, Eddie can then adjust the straps. The tighter that he makes those cross straps, the more unloading that there's going to be. And if he wants to release some of that unloading, then he can just loosen the straps. Awesome. All right, thanks for joining us, guys.